Okay.
And let me get the, okay, the lights on.
Yeah, I hurt myself.
Okay. Are we all hiding back here? Alright.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna spin you around, sweetie. SpongeBob's pierced with the big old Monroe piercing.
We did.
Yeah. Whoa, okay, that's not the mommy. There you go.
Good job. Whack him, Vivian.
Get your balance back. Okay, don't whack your hand.
Oh boy. You could do.
There you go.
You hit like.
Oh, Julia, I heard that. She's like, you hit like a.
my nail.
Oh, my nail. Wait, I'm gonna get you from the other angle. I gotta see this. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There you go.
He's swinging.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
The death of SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Ah! That was a Jake move. Vivian, you did a Jake. You were like, oh.
All right.